Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And it's a little short video, man. I just came from Southern Reese's Pull-Up and Park, and I stopped at Blue Top Drive-In out in Hammond, Indiana. This is where we at. And I want to show you what I stumbled across. Y'all are not gonna believe this. This is crazy. Look at this, guys. 1985 Grand Prix, one owner, guys. Look at this. And the owner let me shoot this. Look at the inside. 1985 Grand Prix. Only thing he did to it, he put some 15-inch torque thrust rims on it. Got the original 305. The original 305. It's actually got the original headlight beams in it. 281s right here and 181s right here. Those are the regular beams and those are the high beams. They're original. Look at this thing, guys. That's it. Got the north side molding on it. Grand Prix. Look at this. Wait, this is the thing. Factory sunroof, 1985. And the reason why you can tell, it's got this trim right here. That's how you know it's original 1985 sunroof. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The only thing he changed was the radio for Bluetooth. Look. 80 mile an hour speedometer. Y'all see the miles. 20,426 miles. There go the steering wheel. Look at this thing. Look, look, look. This is crazy. Look at this thing, guys. Look at the trunk. Original radio right there. Original sticker right there. Color codes and all that. And you got the original jacking instructions right there. Come on, man. This thing is stupid clean, guys. Stupid clean. Yeah. Yeah, Sirski. We got some cars that are going leaving out. Look at this. You smell that E85 too, boy. Get it over. And it's a lady driving it, if you see. Look. Look at it, look at it. Look at it, super sport. Woo! Look at this Camaro. Look at the paint, guys. Dude. Sounding good, too. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, oh. Hey, nasty, boy. That's it. Y'all see it? Woo! Look at it. And the pro top's in there. Look at that. That's great. We got another one right here. Look at this. See it? We're gonna walk up here. They finna do a little something. That truck sound good too. Yeah, we did a little extra footage, guys. Yeah, Sirski. And the Nova's woman driven too. Look at that thing. That thing sounds good too. Got a whiskey. I got that, y'all. That's crazy. We got the scatty. Yes, sir, guys. I'm gonna give y'all that's some extra footage. I'm gonna let y'all walk around this thing one more quick time. This is crazy. Look how clean this car is. Factory sunroof. 85 Grand Prix, all original. There's the trunk. There's the paint specs. Jacking instructions. Cars, gorgeous, all original. One owner, 20,000 original miles, guys. And yes, it is for sale. So you guys know how to get in contact with me. Either DM me on Master Detailers, and I'll let you know what the price is. I'm not gonna say it on here. But yeah, there it is, guys. I'm gonna pan back and let y'all see it. This is one gorgeous car, man. And then y'all got some bonus footage too. Yes, sir. And just like that, this video is over. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.